Hey there, food explorers! Have you heard about black garlic? Once a well-kept secret of Asian cuisine, black garlic is now creating a buzz in the culinary world. Imagine this. Garlic cloves, dark as night, with a flavor profile that's both surprising and delightful. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Black garlic isn't a different variety of garlic. It's regular garlic that has undergone a fascinating transformation through a process called fermentation. The result is a culinary gem with a mellowed, sweet, and slightly tangy flavor, often described as balsamic-like or reminiscent of molasses. So, how does regular garlic morph into this intriguing black garlic? The magic happens through a slow and controlled process of fermentation. Whole bulbs of garlic are kept at a warm temperature, around 140 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit, for several weeks, sometimes even months. This long, slow heat induces the Maillard reaction, a chemical process that gives black garlic its distinctive color, aroma, and flavor. It's the same reaction that browns bread and sears meat. The result is a sticky, chewy texture and a flavor transformation that's nothing short of remarkable. Black garlic isn't just about the unique flavor, it comes with a bevy of health benefits too. For starters, black garlic is packed with antioxidants, even more so than regular garlic. Antioxidants are our body's defense system against free radicals, harmful compounds that can damage our cells. Black garlic has also been linked to improved heart health. Studies suggest that it may help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Lastly, black garlic can give your immune system a boost. It contains compounds that may help fight inflammation and strengthen the body's natural defenses. Ready to experiment with black garlic in your kitchen? The possibilities are endless. Its unique flavor profile lends itself beautifully to both savory and sweet dishes. Black garlic adds a depth of flavor to sauces, soups, and stews. You can add it to marinades for meat or toss it with roasted vegetables for a touch of umami. For a simple treat, spread black garlic on crusty bread with a drizzle of olive oil. Don't be afraid to experiment. Black garlic pairs well with other bold flavors like balsamic vinegar, Parmesan cheese, and mushrooms. So, there you have it, the magic of black garlic. It's a flavor enhancer, a nutritional powerhouse, and a testament to the wonders of culinary transformation. I encourage you to seek it out, experiment with it, and experience the magic of black garlic for yourself. Happy cooking!